Okay, in this video I will explain you how to use dx command in AutoCAD and why we are using this command. Dx command is basically data extraction command. As you can see over here, I have written over there for you, data extraction, dx. So you have to type this dx command in your command bar. So why we are going to use this command in this session? The reason is we have survey data in AutoCAD point shape, and we want to convert, or we want to extract these points x, y and z in our CSV file or Excel file or TXT format. Okay, we want to extract this data. So how to do this one, I will explain you. Right now, as you can see in our file, we have points and we have this m text also. Okay, so I will not delete these text. The reason is I want to show you, if in your case you have text, lines and you have points, you can segregate this data later stages. So okay, we will start this one. What you have to do, very simple, dx. Okay, you have to use dx command. Okay, hit enter. Now click on next button over here in this window. Simple, click on next. Okay, now you can choose from here any file. Okay, this is basically going to create you can say backup file or whatever for his understanding system is going. This is temporary file, you need not actually this file, it will give you separate file. So right now I will say ABC, that's it. You can type any name and just say save. Okay, now as you can see in this window, it's selected like entire sheet, means whatever is included in your whole drive. But if you have very huge project and you want to be some specific portion, you want to extract that data, so then what you will do, you will say select this one, select object in current drive. So what you will do, you will click on this one and then you will select only that specific portion which you want to extract, and then you will hit enter. Okay, but no, I don't want to do this one, I want to extract my entire drive. So it means I will not go for this option, I will go for first option. Okay, then I will say click on next. Okay, now in this window, see in our case, which is in front of you right now, we have m text and we have points. So what I will do, I will uncheck m text. Why? I don't want to extract my m text information, I just want to extract my points information. So that's why I selected over. In your case, for example, you have lines, you have circles, you have arcs, everything will be displayed over here. And if you want to extract each and everything, okay, information, line length, line starting coordinates, ending coordinate, you can let it be selected everything. But in our case right now, on request of our friend, he said I have point data and I want to extract that point data in only Excel format or text format or CSV format. So it means I'm going to unselect my m text. So now you see we have selected only points and click next. In this window, as you can see on your right hand side, geometry, journal, drawing, visualization, no need to touch anything over here, just one click here. Okay, here author, one click here and then go down, press your shift button from your keyboard. After pressing your shift button, just one click here, visual style. Why I did this one, I wanted to select everything, and then what I want to do, uncheck everything. See why I uncheck everything, because I don't want to extract, I don't want that information, file location, created by dates and everything. No, I just want very specific information, which is point, position x, position y and position z. So it means x, y, z of that point which I have selected or which are in my drawing. I need only this information, x, y, z. Okay, after selecting this one, just click next. Okay, so here click next once again, and from here, as you can see, you can choose from here what information you need. Means you need in CSV format, okay, you need Excel format, you need text format, whatever you need, you can just choose from here. In our case right now, I will say I want to extract my file in survey points dot XLS. Okay, so you can change, this is basically your name, but only you have to be careful about extension. You need CSV, Excel or text format. So I will say survey point 123. Okay, I'm just changing this name, but whatever name you want, you can keep that name. Okay, and then where you want to save this file, I will say on desktop there is a folder which name is survey points. Okay, in this, on desktop survey point folder, I want to save this file survey points 123. Just click save and next. Okay, and then finish. So okay, it's extracting your points. Okay, now points are extracted. How we can make sure points are extracted or not, let me show you that points also. So see, this is that file which we have created right now, survey point 123. I will open this file for you. So here you have your point information, as you can see here. Okay, point X, point Y, point Z. Then you can do a little, if you want to change your this heading, easting, northing, elevation, you can change this one. Okay, now let me very quickly, if you understand, very good. If you don't understand, let me explain the same thing by exporting our points now as a CSV. Okay, so let me go back there in AutoCAD once again. I will say DX. Okay, enter, and this time I will say next, and then over here, okay, let me give him separate name, don't worry. Okay, next. I don't want M text. See, my previous selection is already selected over here. Okay, next. Only thing which is going to be changed right now, only instead of this Excel file, I'm going to change this one as a TXT or CSV. Okay, let me change as a CSV. Now I'm going to extract as a CSV file, and let's make a little change in this file name, like 1234. Okay, click save and then next button and finish. Okay, let's see what we have in this file. See, this is now CSV file. Open this file and there you go, finish. You got your point number. I can delete this one. See, I can remove this column, and for sure when you will be having your points, there will be some specific Z value, and in case you have only setting out data, so you will be having only X, Y values. Okay, so then if you want, you can upload these Excel X, Y data in your total session, in your GPS, in case you want to do your setting. Okay, so I hope you will learn something from this video, and if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. I will explain. Take your good care. Bye.